Guys, welcome to another video. As you can see, all my keys have been taken off because they are very dirty. We've got loads of hair in them, got loads of marks. I'm just going to be doing a tutorial on how to clean your keyboard without putting any water on these keys. I saw every tutorial and they have water on them. I'm going to show you guys how to do it without water. Comment down below if there's any other ideas, and yeah, we'll just see how this goes. Guys, I recommend getting a duster. Make sure you shake it everywhere just to make sure there's no dust actually in that. And you literally just go over the keyboard. And that should get rid of some excess dust on the key. Get in the corner of the cloth and just going in between every little key like this. And then downwards. Same thing, but diagonally. You do that, I recommend you get some sellotape and put it in between the keys, because all the hair just sticks to the sellotape. It's a really easy job. You can see that's picked up all the excess hair that's been on the keyboard. And now I'm just looking for any other small hairs that are going to be inside here that will eventually affect the key. Outside of the keyboard, I got some of this, which is just a wet wipe pretty much, which I'll be wiping around. Make sure not to get it in the keys, just try and make sure that it doesn't get wet. I mean, I'm sure it won't hurt that much, but it will just do the keyboard a favour. That, just get an individual key, put the wet wipe on it, you know. Clean it around like I have done with these two. And then once they're all on and halfly cleaned, you just go over it with the wet wipe and clean all the top again, which means they'll just. When that's done, I recommend you just click all the keys to make sure there's none that come out, and go over it once again with a wet wipe. And they should all dry out, and it will look like your keyboard is brand new. Make sure you give it a wipe after. I'll be looking good. Alright guys, hope you liked and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Comment down below if you want to see any more videos, tips and tricks on keyboards.